Hello, my friend. Welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject. Today, I want to share with you of our product. This is our control valve. Okay, if you are interested, please follow me. Let's check the details first. Look at here. Okay, thank you. We can see the packaging bags. Yes, the packaging bag is the VCI anti-rust bags. Yep. So for this one, it's really environmental friendly. Okay, and then you can see there has a label on this part. The first one is our logo. Shumatt logo. Yes, if you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us because we supply the customized services. Like we can print your own logo, we can design the labels for you and the packaging bag and so on. Okay, this one is the model numbers. It's a F00RJ01129 common rail valve. The application injector number is the 0445120035, 0445120038, 0445120029. Okay, on this part, it is a QR code. You can use a phone to scan it. The other informations are in these labels. Okay, let's check the inside part. In the inside part, we also package with plastic bottles. Yes, it's very safe when you transportation it, so don't worry about it. And you can span it to see the inside part. So you can open it in this way. This is the inside. The inside part, we also package it with the oil paper. When I opened the oil paper, okay. That's the whole side of our control valve. Yes, for our control valve, we're not only sealing the whole side, but also we're sealing the separate parts. The separate part is valve cap. For valve cap, you can look at here. There had the coating and with some curved numbers here. Yep. This is our valve rope. For our valve rope, we have different lengths. We have different sizes. If you have the demands like the other size, you can contact us. And we supply you the customized services, including the product size. Okay. And for our product, each of our product before we seal it, we will test it many times, and so it really had very high qualities. Okay. So much for our product details. Actually, we have many kinds of product you can see here, right? If you're not familiar with our product, you can send us the numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About our product, we have the 3 tips we want to share with you. The first tip, if you want to clean spare parts, you can use the oil to clean it. The second tips, if you want to install our control valves, you'd better to make sure the valve rope can be moved smoothly after assembling inject body. Okay, the third tips, you'd better make sure the valve cap in the right positions. Okay, that's all about the tips I want to share with you. Then about our product warranties, we have the 6-month warranties. Yes, during this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we will exchange the product for you. Okay, that's all about our product. Actually, except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, and some pumps. The parts for the pumps, including the control valve we are showing today. Yes. Okay, any items if you are interested, remember to contact us, and you can follow us at the Facebook and the YouTube account. Okay, that's all about today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.